Car insurance rates can vary greatly depending on where you live. According to a recent study by Insure.com, the average annual premium for drivers in Louisiana is $2,839, while drivers in Maine only pay $858 on average. This report analyzed car insurance rates in all 50 states and the District of Columbia. The average premium across the nation was found to be $1,428 per year. The data used in the report was based on information from 6 large insurance companies and 10 ZIP codes per state. The insurance policy used for comparison was for a 40-year-old single male who commutes 12 miles to work, has a clean driving record, and good credit. By the way, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss future videos. For everything, see what we have for you in the description box below. Are you tired of paying sky-high car insurance rates? Are you sick of seeing your hard-earned money go towards something that you may not even use in a year's time? If you answered yes to either of these questions, then you're in luck. In this video, we'll be discussing a recent study by Insure.com that found that drivers in Louisiana can save big by moving to Maine. To begin, let's take a look at the average annual car insurance premiums for drivers in Louisiana and Maine. According to the study, drivers in Louisiana pay an average of $2,839 per year, while drivers in Maine only pay $858 per year. That's a huge difference. And when you consider that the average car insurance premium in the United States is $1,428 per year, you can see just how much drivers in Louisiana are paying above the average. But why do car insurance rates vary so much by state, you ask? Good question. There are several factors that contribute to the difference in car insurance rates, including state laws, weather conditions, uninsured drivers, and crime, crash, and claim rates. In Louisiana, which took over the top spot from Michigan for having the highest car insurance rates, the major contributors to these high rates are a high percentage of uninsured and underinsured drivers and easy lawsuits. Now, let's take a look at how you can lower your car insurance rates, even if you're not able to move to Maine. The first and most effective way to save on car insurance is by shopping around. You can do this yourself by comparing policies and prices from different insurance companies, or you can use a comparison site like the Zebra to make the process easier and faster. When shopping around, it's important to consider what you're looking for in a policy and what your budget is. You may find that a policy with a higher premium offers better coverage or discounts that make it a better deal for you. In addition to shopping around, there are a few other practical ways to lower your car insurance rates. For example, consider getting a car with a high safety rating. Cars with high safety ratings are often cheaper to insure because they're less likely to be involved in an accident. Additionally, consider increasing your deductible. A higher deductible means you'll pay more out of pocket in the event of an accident, but it also means you'll pay a lower premium. Another way to lower your car insurance rates is by improving your credit score. Insurance companies often use credit scores to determine the likelihood of an individual filing a claim. If your credit score is high, you're seen as less of a risk, and this can result in a lower premium. To improve your credit score, make sure you're paying your bills on time, keeping your credit card balances low, and limiting the number of hard inquiries on your credit report. Finally, consider joining a group or organization that offers group insurance rates. Many employers, alumni associations, and other organizations offer group insurance rates to their members. These rates can be significantly lower than what you would pay on your own, so it's definitely worth looking into. In conclusion, if you want to save on car insurance, consider moving to Maine or shopping around for the best policy. Don't let high car insurance rates drive you away. Take control and find a better deal today. By following the tips and suggestions outlined in this video, you'll be well on your way to paying less for your car insurance and keeping more money in your pocket. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.